Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You've launched Wallpaper Engine, so start by selecting the exact wallpaper you want to stop. Once selected, use the visible play/pause control at the top right of the preview. This immediately halts the animation so you can inspect settings. Make sure you're in the main app window, not the editor, because pause there affects playback globally. You're taking the first actionable step now, pause playback. This stops CPU/GPU drain instantly and lets you change persistent settings without the wallpaper running. Once paused, click Properties to open the wallpaper settings and go to the General tab, because that's where playback options live. You can enable pause on start so the wallpaper remains stopped after app restarts, and set the performance profile to low to reduce updates. Also make sure to disable audio and any interactive modules. Those often keep the animation active. These changes are why you paused first. Editing, while stopped, prevents accidental playback and ensures the new defaults persist when you apply them. After adjusting settings, click Apply or Save so your choices are written to the wallpaper profile. This makes them persistent across sessions. Then restart Wallpaper Engine to confirm the wallpaper remains paused on load. If it does, you're done. If animation persists, make sure global pause isn't off in the system tray and try clearing the wallpaper cache or switching to a static variant. Sometimes custom scripts override pause. If that still fails, remove the wallpaper and re-import a fresh copy to reset all runtime behaviors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.